Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Christina. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my April Fairyloot unboxing. I think it's April. I don't know. I'm getting so lost with the months, but I think this is April's box. I just got it in the mail yesterday. Here she is, and I'm really excited to see what goodies we got this month. I know that there's going to be one of the items from March's box in this box. They did send me an email saying that one of the items from March wouldn't be in the box, but they would include it in April's box. I think that's what they said. So this is definitely April's box, that now that I'm thinking of it. So yeah, I'm really excited to see the deck of cards. It was going to be a deck of cards. I'm really excited to see what those look like. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to go ahead and jump into the April Fairyloot unboxing. So here is the box. She's a little heavy, not gonna lie. I'm gonna open her up. Here is the theme for the month, or like the card, the art card. So the theme for April is bittersweet, and I don't know what to think of the as far as like the book. I don't know what to think of. But I love this art card. I think it's really pretty. It definitely is giving me like maybe duo vibes, like partnering up to conquer the world vibes. I don't know. So I'm excited. I'm going to put this down for a while because that's, excuse me. I just choked on my own spit. That's actually the spoiler card. Oh my gosh. So the first item I'm pulling out is the deck of cards, and this says Threads of Fate by Fairyloot. I think this might be like a Fairyloot exclusive. Characters are inspired by Only a Monster, Daughter of the Moon Goddess, Six Crimson Cranes, and Jade Fire Gold, which I have not read any of those books yet. But this is my first official deck of cards. If I can open up the freaking box and I can show you guys. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ruin the box. All right, so this is what the cards look like on the back. That's really pretty. Very unique for sure. Then we got some like silvered sprayed edges, like a red color, and they're like shiny, so it's like a metallic. Did I say red silver? I don't know what I said. I meant metallic. It's like a red metallic. Oh my gosh, y'all know I really don't be using my goddamn head, but this is what it looks like. Can you see the shine? Can you see the shine? It's like metallic red. And it's your average like playing card, so it's like it got the ace. And then we go into our first, we have the Jack, which is this character right here. So I'm thinking like the Jacks, the Qs, and the Kings are all gonna be like some form of, the Jacks, the Queens, and Kings, oh my gosh, are gonna be some form of like art. As I struggle with, did you see, y'all, is the camera focusing? I really can't tell since I don't have my glasses on. Okay, I'm just gonna go through it one more time. And I love how like even the cards are like foiled as well. So that is the deck of cards. I don't really know how to play cards other than like solitaire. So I don't know when I would ever use these, but if I ever get the chance to use them, I can show off my flashy cards to whatever game we play with those. But anyways, moving on. The next item I'm picking up is, I believe, an enamel pin. This is inspired by Strange the Dreamer. It's a moth pin designed by G's Hawk. I don't even know if I'm ever saying these names wrong, right, but yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. What did I say this was? A moth? Ooh, okay. I wouldn't mind seeing a moth like this. This is really pretty. It's very colorful. I love the colors on there. It's like we got some mint colors. Is it purple? Yeah, like a lavender purple, a more deeper purple maybe, but those are really pretty colors. I like this pin. This is probably one of my prettiest pins that I've gotten so far in these bookish boxes. The next item I'm pulling out is this cute little tray. It says, and there are really never endings, happy or otherwise. This is from The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. Yeah, this is cute. I feel like I could really use this like whenever I want like my cup of coffee and I want to take it with me and sit it on my couch. I feel like this is something very sturdy to hold my cup of coffee because I don't have like end tables or a coffee table or whatever you call them. So I think this is perfect to like be able to sit on my couch while my coffee is on top of it. So I'm definitely going to put this to good use. This is really cute. I feel like they've done something like this before and I want to say it almost looked like the exact same thing. I could be wrong. I don't know who this is designed by, but we'll figure that out at the very end. The next item we have here is heart fairy lights. Oh my gosh, shush, shut up. This is so cute. Okay, and this is what they look. These are so cute. Oh my god, what the heck. I don't want to unravel it too much because I don't want them to get tangled. I wish I had some batteries on hand to see what they actually look like when they glow. I'm gonna have to show you guys like in a vlog soon so that way you can see what they look like. But this is so neat. I love fairy lights. I always find some use for them, like I'll put them somewhere just so that way I can use them just to use them. So yeah, this is definitely cute and I'm definitely gonna find a spot here on my shelf to put these on. So love that. The next item looks like it's a book and I do believe they said we were gonna get 2 books this month. This is An Arrow to the Moon by Emily XR Penn. This is what that looks like. Okay, so the last time I got a double book in a bookish box, it was not nearly as pretty as this, and I think it was from Fairyloot as well. I can't really remember, but I only wish the other second book we got like this, like a double book, was this pretty. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those sprayed edges. The cover is stunning. It's just really pretty, like all around. Like it's really, really gorgeous and I'm obsessed with the colors. I don't know anything about this book at all. I'll leave it here on the screen for you so you guys can screenshot it and you can decide if you want to read it or not. Hopefully it is focused enough so you guys can screenshot real fast. So moving on to the next item. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna find out. It's this big old piece of something. It's squished. Addie canvas basket. Is this supposed to be An Invisible Life of Addie LaRue inspired? I'm guessing. It's a little, when you unfold it, it looks like this. This is cute if you want to do like a cute little quick TBR moment. It says, what is a person if not the mark they leave behind? B.E. Schwab. So yeah, this is from Addie LaRue, I believe. This is cute. Okay, I could find some use for it for sure. Probably throw in like my short little, I mean, I already have a TBR cart, but you know, if you want to do like some cute Instagram pictures, you can like stack some books in here, or you can use it as like a prop for some Instagram pictures. So yeah, I don't know, we'll figure something out for this, but this is cute. I adore The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. That was probably my favorite book so far from B.E. Schwab. I can't wait to read their other work, but for sure that has been my top so far. So moving down, I'm gonna get the tarot cards out first before I get the book of the month. So these are the tarot cards. This is the Emperor and this is the High Priestess. Oh, okay. So I believe somebody was saying that this is like the start of like a new cycle of the tarot cards. That's why they look so different, which I am so happy with because yeah, I didn't get to complete the first set that they did because I had obviously like subscribed to them way after they had already sent so many out. But yeah, I'm really happy to be able to have like the fresh start of it because I would love to complete a whole set. And for the book, okay, so the first thing I'm sharing is the author art card. This is what it looks like. Very gorgeous, very pretty. The girl on this art card is stunning, very fierce, and I love it. And then obviously like the author letter in the back. This is crazy. I've never seen it like this. Usually it's handwritten, but I mean, it's still pretty cool. That's a lot that they had to say. And I can't wait to read what it's all about. So yeah, this is gorgeous. It's giving me very sci-fi vibes. I don't know what it is. I think it's like, if you can tell, like they got like the moon in the back, clouds and everything. I don't know why it's giving me sci-fi. I could be wrong. I could be way off. But I'm getting very like spacey vibes with this. I don't know why. I do not know why. So then we have the monthly bookmark, which I love. And then we have the Fairy Scoop Bittersweet, where we have the author interview. And then oh, I'm not gonna look at that. I almost spoiled the book for me. We're gonna look at this here in a minute. But hopefully I don't have this backwards. So, dun, 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 dun. And what do we got? Blood Sign by Deborah Fillet. I don't know. I already know I'm saying that so wrong, but hello. The cover, she's gorgeous. She's stunning. I'm offended because how can a book look better than me? So yeah, and I kind of am on theme with the book. I have purples and pinks. And there's definitely pinks in here, so I feel pretty cool. We got some blue sprayed edges. We have the author signature. We have, okay, we have some art on the actual book itself, which this is a first for me. I haven't had nothing with this amount of cover. Usually it's like some foiling, but I mean, Fairyloot went out. They went all out. Go off, Fairyloot, go off. So this is what the under the dust jacket looks like. It's very simple, but I love the colors. So gorgeous. The covers are very, very pretty. And again, it's giving me very space theme, but I could be completely off with that. The book itself, it's so pretty. I can't believe they actually did, like, this is so, it's, I don't know. I can't even talk. It's beautiful. And we have some like in pages art, which is very simple. I don't know what to think. It's almost like lava. I don't know. I'm everywhere. I'm all over the place. So here's the author picture. She's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna leave on the screen what this book is about. So if you want to screenshot it and read it. I don't know. Do you guys like when I read the synopsis to you, or would you just rather read it yourself? So hopefully you guys screenshot it top and bottom, so that way you can check the book out, see if it's something you are interested in reading. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Fairy Scoop. So like I said, we have the author letter, not the author letter, the author interview. And then we have the book edition on what the Fairyloot edition is, like what it came with, or what, oh yeah, I guess what it comes with. I don't know how else to describe it. Next month's theme is Cloaks and Daggers. So this is what it looks like. Very dark. Can you guys see that? So it's the book of the month is inspired by stories from 1001 Nights. Okay, so in next month's box, we should be expecting items from or inspired by from Blood and Ash, which I'm excited for. Red Rising, I've never read, but I'm excited for that. Daughter of the Moon Goddess, I'm excited. I have the book, have not read it, but still I'm excited. And our featured book of the month, we are thrilled to reveal that the box will include a ceramic mug. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the next foil bookmarker in our mythology collection by @Grace Hearts. I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm so excited. So real quick before we figure out what my favorite is and what my not favorite is, which I don't know what would be my not favorite, but anyways, Night Circus tray designed by Stella A. Bookish Heart. Heart Fairy Lights by Team Fairyloot. So that was a Fairyloot exclusive, the Fairy Lights. Thank you so much, Fairyloot. You are awesome. Dreamer Pin was designed by Jez Hawk. And it's inspired by Strange the Dreamer by Laini Taylor. Installation Canvas Basket art by Blanca Design. And this one is inspired by The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, which I already knew because we're a fan, not gonna lie. And that book was written by V.E. Schwab's. An Arrow to the Moon Back, written by Emily XR Fan. It's a modern retelling of Romeo and Juliet infused with Chinese mythology. Your Fairyloot edition features an exclusive cover, sprayed edges, and a digital art signature. So yeah, and then the tarot cards of the month are illustrated by the amazing Rs 28 and features Chang and Liu from Daughter of the Moon Goddess by Su Lin Tan. I don't know if I said the names right, but yes, excited, loved everything. So do I have a non-favorite item in this box? I do not. I like everything equally the same. I think everything was so gorgeous. I feel like I'm gonna make use of everything. I mean, nothing in this box was a miss. I loved everything, honestly. So yeah, I don't have any misses for this box, which doesn't surprise me at all. Fairyloot always does a really good job with coming through on the boxes, and I appreciate that because, you know, the monthly subscriptions are not cheap. So I know that I'm getting my money's worth. But anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the chaoticness, but you know, it is what it is. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.